Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me. I truly do appreciate it. If you're not new, you already know you're part of the Grateful Gang. And if you want to be a part of the Grateful Gang, please don't forget to subscribe because you know what? It's free 99. It costs you zero zilch, okay? If you do subscribe or you are subscribed and you're not getting the notifications, don't forget to hit the notification bell to get all of the videos, and shout out to the notification gang always in the comments. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave me a comment. Say, hey, what's up? How are you doing? I appreciate talking to you. All right, y'all, it's been a long day. I've been at work until 7 o'clock tonight, and I want to get this done because I got a notification that my check is coming in tomorrow. So let's go ahead and close out week number 3 for February so we can get week number 4. Y'all, oh my God, it's February 22nd, 2/22, and maybe I can get married on 2/22/22 next year. I like the sound of that. That was so random. But anyway, let's go ahead and clear this. Get into our account. Let's get into it, and we will start at where we got paid. Why are there so many transactions? Sheesh, that can't be right. Maybe it is. Where's our paycheck though? Oh, right there. All right. I was like, wait, $573.89, and then we took $10 out for our homeless giving challenge, and I might have to do something different with this, y'all. And then $389 for our zero out challenge that came out. Then we added $158 so we could pay for the cable bill, which ended up being 1 cent more, as y'all will see. Then we had $25 out for our house emergency fund. I'm just going through these so we can clear them on the other side. $120 went to the house. Oops, we hit a snag. Don't hit no snags now, bro. $120, I believe, went to the house, and then my Navient, which hopefully will be the last month that I have to pay this, is my student loans. So let's get back to this and clear some of the ones. So we only had $573.89 come through, and then we did move the $158. To see the documents that okay, thank you. Okay, got it. And we gave $10 as planned. This was a little different. And we had $25 come out of the house emergency fund as planned. $120 was a cash envelope. We saw that come out. That wasn't the house. This was the cash envelopes we withdrew at the ATM. $58.35 was what came out for the student loans. So let's take that out. $58.35. That's actually less than we thought it was going to be, which I always round up. So $389 did come out for the zero out challenge, and $50 is our sinking funds. Did we get there? So $315.01 ended up being the Comcast bill. Hope y'all can see me. Hear me. I feel like I'm low. $315.01 is the Comcast bill, so it was a little over by 1 cent. $315. Jesus. And the thing camera is acting crazy. So if you don't see me, that's normal. That's okay. Then we have $3.72 came through for the KineMaster, which we $3.72 instead of $4. We like it. We like it. Come under all the time. So what are things we have not cleared here? This has to be I don't know. Where's it? Oh, the other's two 120s. I'm like, where's the house 120? Here's the house 120, and here's the 120 we took out for cash envelope sinking, so I could take that 120 out. And then what else do we have? So these are our sinking funds: 5, 15, 20, 25, 45, 50. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, we didn't scan anything else. Perfect. So but I did swipe my credit card. We don't have to talk about that, y'all. So $50 for the sinking funds did come out. Let me go ahead and take the color off of the ones that all cleared through. And then $120 for the house was moved, and we had $24 we thought left in our buffer, but it ends up we have $25.92 left over because we came under on some of those things that we budgeted a little bit over because I round up. So $25.92, we're going to just go ahead and move that to the house. We should say $25.92 like it does, but we want to get to a zero-based budget. So instead of it saying 120, I'm going to add an equal sign to make it a formula and add $25.92. And that should leave us with a zero-based budget down here. And we'll go over to our thing and transfer this $25.92 because our check should be coming tomorrow. And we're going to transfer this into my humble home. Hold up. Oh, yeah, that's fine. I said hold up because I was thinking, y'all, that we have 1970 something on the credit card that needs to be gas money, but we'll pay that with the next check. What should come out as gas money for $20, we'll pay towards the credit card. It'll make more sense next video. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and just send all of this over. $25.92. Sorry, y'all. If y'all hear my parents, they loud. There's a lot of people home. What's the thing that automatically coming up? A transfer success. All right. I need a t-shirt that says that. I love this. And it should be zero. Perfect. We're at a zero-based budget at the end of the week. And then tomorrow we'll do our paycheck and allocate that money. So we're at zero there. We're at zero here. We need to add our $25.92 over to our house saving sheet. So $25.92, and that is $222.21 today, and that is for February check number 3 closeout. We now are supposed to have $8,061.65 in our house total. Let's make sure of that. Gotta click into it for some reason. $8,061.65. $8,061.65. Perfect. And then the last thing I believe we have to update our sinking funds for February. So everything just got its normal amount. So this one, we're adding another $5. We're adding another $5. Wait a minute. Did I add $5? That don't seem right. Hold on. Yeah, okay, because I'm like, that's not right. Okay, adding another $20. Who gets $20? Oh, car maintenance. And travel gets $5. This doesn't get anything right now. Apparel gets $5, which I use some of it, so we're gonna have to beat that up. And then it's $10 and total. Okay, so let's just make sure that these are correct. I'm gonna try and do the split screen thing. Y'all pray for me and be right back. Okay, so I have the side by side going. Amazon, well, let's just go in the order that we can see it. Health and wealth. Health is wealth. Medical supposed to have 182.88. It does. Carmaine has 419.10. It does. Apparel. Oh no, mommy. Don't do that. Okay. Apparel is supposed to have 6206. It does. Christmas or holidays supposed to have 6680. Perfect. Gifts. I don't know why gifts. Oh, 5045. Amazon 6046. Where are you? What? Amazon. Why do you have more money than I think you should have? That's weird. Travel should have 472.87. And I think that's it, y'all. We need to figure out what's going on, or I need to figure out what's going on with Amazon because I think something's wrong. I added 55 instead of 5. Bruh. There we go. Amazon has your backside. Okay. Amazon, where are you? Has 60. Now what? Oh, it's 3 weeks. Okay, sorry. 5 plus 5 plus 5. Listen. Okay, 6046. Now we're good. Boom. Great. Wonderful. So that is up to date. All our sinking funds are good to go, and our house savings is good to go. And I feel like there's one more thing we need to do, y'all. What am I forgetting? Oh, I need to move this money 145 92. It needs to be added to our savings. What we actually have a total of savings for the 26-week challenge. This is week number 3. I'm going to paste without the formulas. Values only 145.92. We're trying to get to 800. We're already at 780. I like saying that. And so we don't need much to get on week 4, but I think we're going to do all right on week 4 to get to our 800. I think we've got to hit that total. And I'm so excited to see what our percentage and our totals for the whole entire month of February were. I actually really enjoyed that video. But that's it, you guys. This week's paycheck or last week's paycheck has been cleared, and all of the trackers that are necessary at this point have been updated, and we're good to go. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Look out for tomorrow's video where I show you how I'm going to allocate the last check of the month for February. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. And I'm super duper grateful for you. I really, really, really do appreciate you guys. I can't believe I'm almost at 300 subscribers already. Y'all are amazing. What? All right. As I say, also faith over fear all year, y'all. Faith over fear this year. Faith over fear this year. What? Forever, forever, ever. Bye.